So this is my analysis for next week. So let me explain to you guys what I'll be looking at on Monday and what happened yesterday, being Friday. So this is good. If you watch my previous analysis I did on Friday, my daily analysis I did on Friday, you see that I predicted that or analyzed that the market will come back to this zone and drop. So this is the 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours time frame. This is the first level that I call out. I've been waiting for market to come to. But at the same time, I told you guys that it can still, because he rejected, he has been tested here, I think on Thursday, and moved back. Then coming back to it, I told you guys that it might go back to retest here before coming to this level. And if I see a confirmation of sell from this zone, I will sell. So unfortunately, I missed the trade because it dropped to this zone and consolidate, even give double bottom, then broke up, then go back to test here, then drop back. But that's what I told you guys. If you took a buy from here, watch this zone. Once you get to this zone, close your trade. So this is a double bottom here, then broke it, rejected from here, and gave another confirmation here. This is the one I know that I will take, but I didn't take this trade. But this exact one is one I know that I would trade, but I missed it. I didn't take it because my entry would have been here and my stop loss will be here. Then this trade went to almost 1 to 2. Yeah, before I started retracing back, almost 1 to 2. So now on Monday, let's go to daily time frame. So this is daily time frame. Daily time frame closed the sell candlestick. It's still dropping. Yeah, after this rejection here, it closed the sell candlestick, but it's still on this zone. It has not broken it. It's still on this zone. So on 4 hours time frame, what is happening here now? It broke this low. It broke it with body, and let me expand this. It broke this low with the body here, but is rejecting on this support here, which this support is also a daily support. Rejecting on this support here. So on this 15 minutes time frame now, mostly I will look for sell. So if markets, because now I'm seeing that the support is about to turn to resistance on this 15 minutes time frame. You see this support, it broke it down, so it's coming back to it. So now this support is turning to resistance. You already see that rejected from here, and there is a say 2 second candlestick before this market closed. So on 15 minutes time frame, the support now is turning to resistance. So what I'm looking at for now is this market to come back to take this low. I might take a sell, but let's see what will happen on Monday. Or I will also appreciate it if you can still go up and take out this high here for me to know that okay, it has maybe it has closed this imbalance here. Technically this, but it might close this. Technically this side might close this imbalance and reject from this particular one. Then my entry for sell will be somewhere here, but nobody know what might really happen. But let's watch it out. Let's watch what will happen on Monday. But unfortunately, if we drop from here and take out this low and reject, then I will take a buy for somewhere here. So let's just see how this play out on Monday. But my first expectation on Monday will be a sell from this zone. if you give me a sell confirmation from this zone, I will sell. Maybe I might take something like this, or let's see what will happen on Monday first. And my stop will be somewhere here. If this buy didn't continue and on Monday morning started dropping from here, then I'll take a sell from here and target 1 to 2. I think that's what I will do. Target 1 to 2. But let's mark it open first. Let me see what will happen when we have more data. So this is what I might do on Monday morning when market open. And for buy is still valid. Is not over yet, because on this daily time frame, markets have not broken this. As the market have to break this low for me to maybe cancel all the buy that I'm expecting. It really has to take this low out, because you know that when you take this low out, then definitely we are going down. It's going to be massive downtrend, because on this daily time frame, if gold sell and take out this low here, retesting it here, definitely it will reject like this. So it's going to be head and shoulder. It's going to be head, shoulder, and shoulder. Then definitely it's going to drop. So if gold take out this low, definitely gold as in market is going to drop. Maybe you might expect gold to get to this level again before we can see more uptrend, if it will happen. So if eventually take out this low, there's going to be head, shoulder, shoulder. The head and shoulder have formed on daily time frame, and it's going to go down. So I will stop looking for sell opportunity on 15 minutes time frame. If gold take out this low, I will stop looking for buy opportunity on 15 minutes time frame if gold take out this low. But now it has not taken it out. So on this 15 minutes time frame, I don't really know what will happen, but if I see a need setup for buy, I might still look for buy from here. If I see a good setup for buy, I will still look for buy. You can see the center on this 4 hours time frame. It has not done a change of character. But if gold take out this low, that's when you say it will do a change of character for sell. But this is the proper one. If you take out this low, it will do a change of character for sell. And I think it is the same level with the daily time frame. So there is every possibility that this uptrend might continue back from this zone. But let you see how it will play out on Monday. So that is it for gold. And this is GBP USD. This is daily time frame. So GBP USD is going down, as you can see that it's already doing change of character, but it broke it with shadow, but not with body on daily time frame. It's already doing change of character on daily time frame. It broke it with shadow, not with body. And this is the 4 hours time frame. It broke this low and rejected it and drop. So my bias still remain the same. I'm looking for a buy. I'm looking for a sell on this GBP USD. So I'm expecting to come back to this zone, which is this level that it broke here. This is the level. So I'm still waiting for it to come back to it and retest it and drop, which is this zone is somewhere here. So this one I'm expecting to still come back and reject. So it has not done that. So I think for now, I have to still wait for it to do the proper retracement. So I'm not looking at all this support here. Also, all these 15 minutes resistance. No, I'm not going to look at it. Let it respect this 4 hours Let it go and respect this as in reject from this 4 hours support. Sorry guys, resistance before I will start looking for the sell. So I'm not looking for a sell right now until come back to this 4 hours resistance, unless if I see a strong, if GBP USD form a strong support, sorry, a strong resistance here and break it, or form with a well support can turn to resist and form any good level here, then maybe take it out. Then I might change my bias and start looking for sell from this zone. If you form anything strong here and respect it, then I'll start looking for sell from this zone. But also there is support here. Sorry, a resistance. I don't know what I'm mentioning, support, a resistance here. But I would like to see a current one than this old one. I would like to see a current one supporting this. Then I will look at it for it to just break and retest it. Then look for a sell from here and sell it down. So right now on 15 minutes time frame, my buyer still remains the same. This is what I marked out on Friday, I guess. Yeah. So I'm still looking at this resistance here. So I'm still looking at it for GPUs to come back to it, to respect it. So that's my uh, analysis on this GBP USD. Still remain the same. Come to this side, then drop. Yeah, we can counter this buy, because definitely when it's buying up here, it can cash this buy. But if I'm countering this buy, then I'm going to use 15 minutes time frame levels to take a buy. So already, if I'm to do that, you can see that it broke this low, then started forming lower low and higher high and lower high, then take out this lower high, then it's back on it to retest it. And already you can see that came back it came back to retest it, and here now it's giving you double bottom, and it just take out the double bottom. So when market open, if you want to counter this move, you can take a buy from somewhere here and let your stop be somewhere here. You can take a buy from, maybe it's already broken here, allow it to take out this level, then take a buy, then let your stop be here, or let your stop be here, depends the level you want to use. Then target somewhere here, which is 1 to 3, or target your 1 to 2. Then so if I'm to counter this move, this is what I will do. If I'm to, okay, say let me buy it to this zone, this is what I will do. But unfortunately, I'm not sure I will do that. But I'm just kind of saying, if you guys want to counter it, this is what it is, guys. So let's see how on Monday will be when market open up. So the reason why I'm doing this right now is for you guys to be able to know what to do on Monday before I will drop my daily analysis on Monday. I believe that if you watch this video, you can be able to make a decision by yourself on Monday without even waiting for my daily analysis on Monday. So this is it, guys. Let's see how it plays out on Monday. Stay sane. God bless.